afternoon, teachers, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to tell you a story entitled A Difficult Question. One day, Trigger decided to skip a school test. I don't feel like doing the test, said one of the girls. I didn't even study for the test, said the other two. Let's all go to school late, then we won't have to take the test, said one of the girls. That is a good idea, but what do we tell to the teacher? We need a good excuse to pull this ad. Aha, I have got it. Let's tell him that our taxi had a flat tire, said one of the girls. Yes, the others agreed. They arrived at their school an hour late. The test had ended. Why were you late? The teacher asked. You missed the test. The girls replied, Our taxi had a flat tire, sir. The teacher then gave each of them a piece of paper and said, Sit down, one of you in each corner. Write the answer to these questions. The three girls wrote different answers. The teacher found out they had lied and punished them for it. The moral of the story is, if you don't lie, you won't have to worry remembering the right story. Thank you.